Alright everybody, another fun and exciting episode of Watching Boats with Chuck. So here we have the Key West Express. The glare is so bad out here. I'm hoping they're getting us in frame. This thing hails out of, this one right here I think hails out of Fort Myers, but in the Florida on season, which is the kind of the fall and winter and early spring, there is a Key West Express that goes out of Marco Island. But evidently from Fort Myers it takes about 3.5 hours to get down here, and depending on demand, they run them every day. So there you go. The Key West Express is all right.